Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani. If you are new, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified when your girl uploads new content. I already moisturized my face off camera for you guys. That's what you're going to see with the oil of the 112 in the Daily Breeze Pharmacy. One thing that you're going to notice is also new about this video is that I did my brows first, guys. I have not done my brows first in so long and I forgot how fleeky they would come out. So I'm going back to doing that. But I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation on. And this is Juvia's Place Shade Stick Foundation. I think it's Mauritania, forgive me if I'm saying it wrong. Mauritania and I know I use Guinea. And there's one other one that I use, but I can never remember what it is. But it'll be down in the description box for you guys. Also, another thing, I know I'm going to have to end up changing my shade because it's getting into that fall, you know, almost going to transition into winter time, and I'm completely different shade than what I am right now in the summertime. So bear with me if you start to see like, grass looks a little dark or something looks a little light compared to this. Yeah, like, I know I have to change it. Also right now I'm setting my face, well, not really setting it, but moisturizing my face with just some with the Mario Badsky skincare facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. I'm using that on my face. I was going for a dewy look and I was hoping that was going to give that to me because I feel like dewy, you need to have like that nice like spritz with water type of glow. I'm oily already, so normally I go for mattes, but I just wanted to try something different and see if I could achieve that with my skin type. So what you're gonna see now also is me doing my highlight with another shade stick. Yes, another shade stick, which is crazy. I'm actually liking this method, so I'm gonna keep this method. And I'm going back with the Airspun setting powder because I feel like the other one that I was using is not for me. I feel like I have maybe more of a cool or neutral undertone. I don't necessarily have a warm one. So I definitely feel like going back to the Airspun setting powder is the best option for me. So I'm just going to set my foundation all over just so everything blends seamlessly. And then I'm going to go back in also with the brush and just press everything back in so that everything looks one tone and not blotchy or compartmentalized. I shouldn't say sectionalized, but whatever. So right now what you're going to see is me contouring my nose, my cheeks, forehead, and chin because I have a non-existent chin and I need to get that to come out, even though I still feel like it does not come out enough. But I'm going to use my angle brush and just blend that up and down, not too far down because I don't want it to look extended. I don't want an extended face. And then I'm going to go back into the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour palette in the shade light to medium. If you guys haven't noticed, I'm kind of going back to some of my old layers of makeup that was definitely right that I need to keep in my technique because some of the new ones I just feel like either aren't working for me or they're just not working. So yeah, I'm using that, and then I'm gonna keep going in with that same brush that I used for my foundation just so everything can have a seamless and flawless blend because we want everything to look cohesive and not compartmentalized. Also, we're gonna go into my nose with another smaller angle brush and do the same thing and just set that with that same powder. As far as my blush, you are going to see me go in with the Bella Blush by Juvia's Place. I love Juvia's Place products clearly because I'm using so many of them. But yeah, then also I'm going to snatch this nose and I'm definitely going to let it sit for a little while because I feel like sometimes I don't let it sit long enough and it looks crazy, but no, this is working for me. Also guys, I found a new setup for my camera, meaning like I found out how to really work my Sony Alpha 6100 camera. Before I was giving content that looked kind of warm and I thought it was ugly. And when I say warm, I mean like my hue was off. But then when I talked to one of the photographers that I know, he explained something to me and then also sent me a video of how to make sure my exposure is right. What does it mean to shoot in manual? What shutter speed is? What is aperture? All that stuff. And I feel like a mini photographer in a sense. I feel like I know a little something. Don't ask me to do any professional shoots because I don't know what I'm doing with that. But I do know that with this camera now, I know how to better shoot my tutorials. I need to get a better microphone, honestly. The one that I had, it kept buzzing and I did not like that for you guys. I felt like that was destroying my videos, especially the quality of it. So I'm going to get another microphone that's better so you guys can hear me even better because I know I talk fast and it can be a little bit muffled. I went ahead and set my eyes with some setting powder, which also I have not done in a while. I keep doing like stuff that, seeing new trends and stuff like that, but you gotta go back to the basics sometimes, especially when you're trying to get back to that beauty community that you loved in the beginning. That's what I'm trying to do. So I did one of my eyes off camera. It's a simple glam, soft glam look with a pop of color. If I'm not mistaken, I used a Juvia's Place Warrior palette with that. I only used 3 colors out of there. I used their lightest shade, their medium shade, and their darkest shade. I didn't use any metallic or shimmer shades out of that palette. So I'm just going to deepen my crease with that medium shade. Yes, and we're going to also blend that into the nose so everything looks pretty nice, you know. I'm not going to go too crazy with this because this is a soft glam, but I'm just going to blend that into my crease. And then I'm going to softly cut my crease with what is left over on my concealer brush that I normally do my eyebrows with. And you're going to see me cut that, and then I'm going to go in with that lightest shade and just put that over that cut crease. Oh, guys, when I tell you, I have so much content for you guys. I've been like booking. I have 2 more videos to drop for you guys after this one. But like I said, everything is going to be, you know, a day apart. So is it a day apart? Is that like next day? Whatever, you guys get what I'm saying. But I'm dropping new videos for you guys. I already dropped my other one, which is the wig and saw. I have another one for you guys, this one and one other one. I'm not going to tell you what they are because I really don't know what order I want to drop them in. Just know I have them for you. I'm going to take that dark shade and I'm going to go ahead and put it on the outer corners of my eye, and then I'm going to do a thick liner, kind of not really with the BKK gel liner. I'm just trying to guide here. I kind of want it angled so it can make my eyes look a little bit bigger, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to go in with the black and the BH Cosmetics Midnight Festival palette, and I'm going to mattify that gel liner, and then I'm also going to put some more on the outer corners to deepen that outer corner shade. Also, I'm going to take that same gel liner and I'm just going to put it on my waterline. Also, I'm going to go into that BH Cosmetics palette, that same palette that I used the black from, and I'm going to go in with that hot pink that's also in that palette, put it in my inner quarter and my waterline because I just felt like adding up, you know, some color was cute. I kind of wish I would have did green now, but I also feel like, you know, this is cute. Also, if you don't see it behind me, those pigments behind me, I want to do something with those, but I'm really not sure what to do yet. They're very, 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 very vibrant, and I really want to use them. And I haven't yet. But this is the look, guys, and I'm going to go in with the Rebel Access lashes. This is in the style KoKo. These are very thick. I actually had to take some scissors and cut the inner corners of the lashes because they were too long and they were touching the sides of my nose and it was making me tickle, and I did not like it because it just didn't feel right. So you're going to see me tweak these a little bit. I'm going to add some more of the black eyeshadow on that glue so you don't see that glue. It's not cute. Yeah. Now I'm going to line my lips with the NYX Brown Lip Liner, and I am getting rid of one of these beauty trends that people probably kind of still doing. I don't like it anymore, which is overlining the lips. It's not cute anymore. I don't like it. I like my lips the way they are. I like to have that definition of them. So we're going to do away with like overlining the lips. That's not cute. So you're just going to see me filling my lips with that brown. You're going to go in with my favorite matte Lippie, of course. It's by Absolute New York in Mink Pink. It's their Velvet Lippie. And you're going to see put that all over. And then I'm also going to go in with a NYX Butter Gloss. I really don't remember which one that is. It might have been Madeline. Or Praline. It was one of them. Honestly, I don't remember. My hair is so cute. Cutie. Oh, yeah. Anyway. You're going to see me line my lips with that, and then I'm going to go in with the Kiss Me Your Professionals Lip Lacquer, yeah, that. I'm going to use that. And that's in the shade Pink Sorbet, and I'm just going to go over my matte Lippie with that. But, guys, yeah. So then I'm going to go in with the butt of my beauty blender, and I'm just going to press everything in so that everything is smooth looking and nice and soft and airbrushed, so that we can have this final look. I'm also going to spray my face again with that same hydrating, it's not even a primer, it's just really just for your skin. Like, it just smells freaking good. But I'm going to spray that. Like I told you guys, I really don't care for highlighter like that, so you're not really going to see me use it too much anymore. I mean, I'm going to use it from time to time, but it's not too much. Yeah, but that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this soft glam. Believe it or not, I was supposed to actually add a clip in from this video to my wig install video, and I completely forgot, so I uploaded that video without it. So if you are watching this and you noticed that, or you heard me say that, yeah, make sure you go check out that wig install, and you're going to realize, oh, this is supposed to be a part of that. Yeah, it was. Just go look at the makeup. But thank you guys for tuning in.